Hello students. So this is a question from the NEET phase 1 physics and the question number is 3. So in question is telling about a body moves in a straight line along y-axis. Its distance y in meters from the origin is given by y is equal to 8t minus 3t square. So the average speed in the time interval from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 1 second. We know that the average speed, actually average speed is asking about average speed. So average speed is mode of the velocity. So just putting the value from putting the value of 1 into the time t, so what we will get y is equal to 8 into 1 minus 3 into 1 square, and the answer we got 8 minus 3, that is 5 meter per second. And if we put y at time 0, so 8 into 0 minus 3 into 0 square, so whole thing will be 0. So the difference is y2 minus y1. This is y2, this is y. So y2 minus y1 is 5 minus 0, that is 5 meter per second. Answer is, thank you.